You've now completed the Working with Projects module. Let's review what we learned. The first thing we talked about in the Working with Projects module was an overview of what a project is. And basically we decided that a project is a collection of activities designed to provide a service, produce a product, or achieve some sort of result. And then we talked about the different dimensions of a project, which the primary dimensions revolve around consuming resources and generating financial results in the form of revenue or assets. But the three that we specifically called out were the scope of the project, so basically the plan and the length of time that plan is going to take, the resources involved in completing your project, and then the cost that's geared towards that project. Then we went into the navigation. We looked at the project management workspace that's available, and then we just generally navigated around project and showed you the all projects list page and dove into a project a little bit. In the next lesson, we decided to create a project, and we went through, created that project, and then we just reviewed some of the details about that project and showed those. Next, we went into the project hierarchy. And the project hierarchy is a cool way of actually creating a project structure where your project structure can have multiple sub-projects, and yeah, you can report through up all the way to the top in aggregate. Then we took a look at your project numbering, and where there can be some complexities with the project numbering, and just gave you an understanding of that. Then the final two were copying projects. So an easy way of streamlining your creation process is to create templates. So we showed you how to do that and how to flag a project hierarchy as a template. And then finally we looked at the project stages, which you have your 5 core stages, and then there's 3 user-defined stages that you can define yourself. Yeah, now that you've got a general idea of how projects are created and some of the base principles around them, after reviewing the Working with Projects module, let's move forward in learning about the different project types.